my son. All because she loves you. All because I love you. Know you Atali'i. All because she loves you. Atalii. Love you, Atalii. I want you to hear your mother as a song every day. Not a singer. The singer might be gone, unable to find, but the song will be playing on every day of your life. You can record it in the tracks, play it on the radio, in your car, in your room, in the field with your friends, your family, maybe in your church. You to hear your mother as a song every day. A sweet song in your ears, not a singer. Yeah. Ooh. The raw track, unmastered, ISO mark. Her voice trembling but luminous. She said, when my voice fades, you'll still hear me hum. I don't sing to be remembered, son. When my voice fades, you'll still hear me hum. I want you to hear your mother as a song every day. Hear your mother as a song every day. Not a singer, not a singer, yeah. Ooh. Yeah. I sing so you won't forget that I tried. I sing so you won't forget that I tried. I tried my best to say that. All because I love you, my son. Mother as a song every day. A sweet song in your ears, not a singer. All because she loves you. All because I love you, my son. My son, lo Atali'i.